G'day, food lovers. Still got laryngitis, still coughing. Anyway, I was scrounging in the freezer earlier and discovered a packet of potato mash. Rather than waste it because of my low carb living, I thought I should eat it tonight with some duck breast and kale sprouts. I cooked the duck breast for 2 hours at 76 degrees Celsius and seared it in a hot fry pan with some butter. The potato mash is cooked using microwave radiation for 2.5 minutes. The kale sprouts were cooked for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. It's Father's Day here in Australia and the first day of spring, so all you dads out there in Australia, happy Father's Day, and I hope spring brings you happiness. I hate spring, full of hay fever, allergic rhinitis. It sucks big ones. Catch you later. Bye.